Hello everyone and welcome to Learn to Pass Hub. In today's video, you will guess and learn all about the history of cars. We have prepared 30 questions for you and will give you 5 seconds to guess each answer. Each correct answer counts as 1 point. The comment section is your scoreboard. Don't forget to leave your score in the comments below. Question 1. What automotive company produced the first gasoline-powered automobile in 1886? A. Ford, B. Benz, C. Cadillac. Correct answer is B. Benz. Question 2. The Ford Falcon, introduced in the 1960s, became popular as a compact car. In what year did it first roll off the production line? A. 1958, B. 1960, C. 1964. Correct answer is B. 1960. Question 3. What year did the Chevrolet Suburban, one of the longest continuously produced vehicle models, make its debut? A. 1920, B. 1935, C. 1950. Correct answer is B. 1935. Question 4. The Ford Edil, known for its unique grille design, gained notoriety as one of the biggest marketing failures. In what decade was it introduced? A. 1940s, B. 1950s, C. 1960s. Correct answer is B. 1950s. Question 5. Which luxury car brand is named after the founder of the Detroit Automobile Company and the Chevrolet Motor Car Company? A. Buick, B. Cadillac, C. Lincoln. Correct answer is B. Cadillac. Question 6. The iconic Volkswagen Beetle was commissioned by which country's leader to be a people's car? A. Germany, B. United States, C. United Kingdom. Correct answer is A. Germany. Question 7. What classic American muscle car was named after a fighter plane used in World War II? A. Dodge Charger, B. Ford Mustang, C. Chevrolet Corvette. Correct answer is B. Ford Mustang. Question 8. The first mass-produced front-wheel drive car, the Citroën Traction Avant, was introduced in which year? A. 1924, B. 1934, C. 1944. Correct answer is B. 1934. Question 9. The Jeep Wrangler has its roots in a military vehicle used during which war? A. World War I, B. Korean War, C. World War II. Correct answer is C. World War II. Question 10. The first official Indy 500 pace car, a Studebaker, led the race in which year? A. 1920, B. 1935, C. 1940. Correct answer is B. 1935. Question 11. Who is credited with inventing the first practical automobile in 1885-1886? A. Carl Benz, B. Henry Ford, C. Nicholas Otto. Correct answer is A. Carl Benz. Question 12. The Chevrolet Corvette, introduced in 1953, is often referred to by what nickname? A. Stingray, B. Thunderbird, C. Viper. Correct answer is A. Stingray. Question 13. What year did the Ford Model A, the successor to the Model T, enter production? A. 1927, B. 1932, C. 1935. Correct answer is A. 1927. Question 14. The Buick Skylark, a classic American car, was featured prominently in which iconic film of the 1980s? A. Ferris Bueller's Day Off, B. Back to the Future, C. 16 Candles. Correct answer is A. Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Question 15. The iconic muscle car Pontiac GTO, introduced in the 1960s, is often referred to as the Great One. What does GTO stand for? A. Grand Touring Overdrive, B. Gran Turismo Homologado, C. General Turbo Output. Correct answer is B. Gran Turismo Homologado. Question 16. The AMC Pacer, known for its unique design, gained popularity in the 1970s. What nickname is often associated with this car? A. The Fishbowl, B. The Pinnacle Cruiser, C. The Nightshade Express. Correct answer is A. The Fishbowl. Question 17. What Italian sports car manufacturer is famous for models like the Countach, Diablo, and Aventador? A. Ferrari, B. Lamborghini, C. Maserati. Correct answer is B. Lamborghini. Question 18. Which American automaker introduced the first mass-produced V8 engine in 1914? A. Ford, B. Chevrolet, C. Cadillac. Correct answer is C. Cadillac. Question 19. The AMC Matador Coupe was featured as a car from the future in which famous sci-fi television series? A. Black Mirror, B. The Twilight Zone, C. Doctor Who. Correct answer is B. The Twilight Zone. Question 20. The Ford Bronco, known for its off-road capabilities, was originally introduced in response to the success of which competitor's vehicle? A. Jeep CJ, B. Chevrolet Blazer, C. Land Rover Defender. Correct answer is A. Jeep CJ. Question 21. The first true sports car, the Jaguar XJ120, made its debut in which year? A. 1935, B. 1948, C. 1953. Correct answer is B. 1948. Question 22. What concept car, known for its gull-wing doors, later influenced the design of the DeLorean DMC-12? A. Ford Thunderbird, B. Lamborghini Countach, C. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Correct answer is C. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Question 23. The Chevrolet Impala SS Super Sport became a classic in the muscle car era. In what year was the first Impala SS introduced? A. 1957, B. 1961, C. 1968. Correct answer is B. 1961. Question 24. Which automaker produced the iconic muscle car, the Firebird Trans Am, featured in the movie Smokey and the Bandit? A. Ford, B. Chevrolet, C. Pontiac. Correct answer is C. Pontiac. Question 25. The Chevrolet El Camino, a unique blend of car and truck, was introduced in response to which competitor's vehicle? A. Ford Ranchero, B. GMC Sprint, C. Dodge Rampage. Correct answer is A. Ford Ranchero. Question 26. The AMC Gremlin, known for its compact size and unique design, was introduced in which decade? A. 1960s, B. 1970s, C. 1980s. Correct answer is B. 1970s. Question 27. The first mass-produced electric car, the General Motors EV1, was introduced in what year? A. 1992, B. 1996, C. 2000. Correct answer is B. 1996. Question 28. The iconic Volkswagen bus, also known as the Microbus, became a symbol of the counterculture movement in the 1960s. In what year was it introduced? A. 1950, B. 1962, C. 1975. Correct answer is A. 1950. Question 29. The Ford Thunderbird, initially introduced as a personal luxury car, gained popularity in what decade? A. 1950s, B. 1960s, C. 1970s. Correct answer is A. 1950s. Question 30. The BMW M3, a high-performance sports sedan, was initially developed for participation in which racing series? A. Formula One, B. Touring Car Championship, C. Le Mans. Correct answer is B. Touring Car Championship. If you found yourself in the Knowledge Masters tier, hats off to you. You're the true maestros of information. To our skillful achievers, your performance was outstanding. Keep those quiz skills shining bright. To the insightful navigators, your knack for judgment and insight is truly commendable. Well done. Learning pioneers, embrace the journey of discovery. Every correct judgment brings you one step closer to mastery. And lastly, to our exploration initiates, remember that every attempt is a valuable opportunity to grow and improve. Keep exploring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Learn to Pass Hub content. Your support means the world to us.